Welcome to 38 Lillypilly Avenue here in Gracemere. I'm Todd Brandon from the agency, and this has to be one of the neatest homes available right now. If you think this lawn looks good, wait till you get inside. Enjoy the tour. There is so much to love about this home. As you can see, the owners have done a wonderful job in making this home again like new. We've got new paint, new light fittings, new fans. Everything is super neat and tidy. You won't have to lift a finger. But what I really love is how the house works together, and you've got this great indoor space that connects really well to this great outdoor entertaining space. It's my recommendation you don't hesitate and you contact us immediately about 38 Lillypilly Avenue. It's a great home for both the investor and the person who wants to move in and is available now. If we can help you, we'd love to help you out. Give us a call.